In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best LED video lights in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. For all the expert photographers and videographers who are looking for some high-end lighting equipment to use in their studios, there's hardly any better brand than GVM in that case. Although the pricing might seem a little high to some customers, the quality you get from these LED video lights will blow your mind. Fortunately, you get 3 LED light panels in this deal, which are extremely easy to install and have plenty of adjustment features. For instance, you can control these light panels via a mobile application and tweak all the light settings remotely. Speaking of the adjustments, we mean the color temperature is adjustable from 3200 K to 5600 K, and the brightness can be adjusted between 0% - 100% seamlessly. Along with the package, you will get a separate tripod for each light, 3 diffuser panels, power adapters, and a rugged carrying case as well. These 800D studio video lights also support master and slave mode, where you can set one light as master and the other 2 lights as a slave. This feature helps you control all 3 lights just by adjusting the settings on the master one. For the money you invest, you get 168 SMD light bulbs and 84 RGB beads in each panel. In fact, each of the LED lights in the panels has a life of more than 100,000 hours. For powering these lights, you can use an AC power adapter and connect them for continuous usage. On the other hand, it also supports Sony f750/970 battery, but unfortunately, that's not included in the box. Number 4. Can you guess what this light is known for? The Godox UL150 Silent LED video light prides itself on its elaborate heat dissipation system, meaning you can say goodbye to noisy cooling fans and overheating lights. The UL150 model is specifically designed to be compatible with most bulbs accessories and includes 8 filters to produce a wide choice of lighting colors, with its base color being a rather bright white to its 5600 K color temperature. All these light controls are app supported, making it easy to connect and control multiple lights with one controller. While the UL150 is originally DC powered, a V-mount battery is optional for on-the-go use. The fine brightness controls on this device ensure that it can work as a key light or full light, but the most important factor of this product is the complete silence during low-volume shoots. It is this specialized function along with the top-notch light output and ease of adjustability that puts this light in the higher price ranges and high on videographers' must-have lists. This Godox product also omits a softbox and, thus, one needs to be purchased separately. Number 3. Moving forward with a great versatile option from Neewer. The Neewer LED video light is a valuable device from the huge portfolio of the industry-leading brand Neewer. This LED is designed for various video-making, photography, lighting and location shooting, meaning that the kit is made to follow you wherever you go. It is made out of really durable construction and at the same time is lightweight. Yes, lifting heavy weights in the gym is enough, you won't have to worry about that with this fella. Its metal light housing is as rugged as they come, and it hugely helps in dissipating the heat well. It comes with a light stand that has an aluminum alloy construction and great locking capabilities. It is sure to be adjustable with a height from 26 inches to 75 inches, 66-190 centimeters. Another thing that is adjustable would be its U-mount, so you can put it in the best angles for a better shooting experience. It packs 330 white and 330 yellow LED bulbs, a whole amount of 660 pieces in total. It is capable of providing a lumen of 7300 lux m and also illuminates a variable white balance from tungsten daylight with a temperature of 3200 K to 5600 K. As for the color rendering index, CRI, it sits at 96+. I mentioned this term even at the above options for you guys that don't know. It is a way to measure a light source's distinctive attributes. How well can a light source show objects' colors naturally? The package includes 2 B-color LED videos, 2 white diffusers, 2 power adapters, 2 cables, 2 carrying cases, and 2 light stands. Pretty much everything you need to hit it off for filmmaking. Don't let the price worry you. It is really nice and well made. You will not find any other light kit that is this bright and well constructed in this price range. It promises to light a whole scene, and to be honest, I feel like it is unbeatable at this price range. Number 2. A notably sleek option, the Elgato Key Light is the perfect, budget-friendly light for a professional studio with limited space. Control your setup virtually using the Key Light app to adjust brightness and hue, or make use of the Stream Deck controller that can be used to control a variety of Elgato products. With a color temperature of between 2900 K to 7000 K, this slim light can emit a wide array of hues to suit every mood. Its steel frame and opal glass face promise a sturdy, glare-free light that is sure to give your content a boost. The Elgato light also clamps right onto your desk for ease of use during meetings, video shoots, or streams. But what content is this most suited to? Elgato is a tried and tested brand in the streaming sphere, and, thus, this light was made specifically with these creators in mind. This means that the Elgato Key is ideal for illuminating creators, models or actors within a relatively close range without the need for any modifiers. But the diversity doesn't end there. Thanks to its clamp-on design, ultra-thin frame, and 90-degree tilt capability, this light is perfect for unboxings and any other on-desk filming. Number 1. You can probably tell by now that Aputure is changing the game with their cinematography lights, and the Amaran 200D LED video light is no different. The 200D model takes its video light line to the next level by incorporating a more powerful 250W lighting system, while retaining the great crease score and natural color hue of its predecessor. With full control over the lighting system's 8 modes and brightness from the comfort of your phone screen, this light is sure to make content creation a simple experience. The Amaran 200D LED video light is also available with B-color functionality of 2700K to 5600K for a slightly higher price. Just like the aforementioned Aputure D series light, this light is truly an all-rounder, but it will prove even more effective in large studios due to its increased light output. The only thing to be wary of with this model is the slightly louder cooling fan. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.